Joe here, Southern Coast Cooking, coming at you today. I've got a couple of pork tenderloins and I've got some ribeye steaks. We're going to smoke all this.
Hey guys.
Oh, and there's Catherine Faye.
I'm 13 now.
Yeah. So we're going to put this, this is the Whole Hog Cafe barbecue rub. That's what I'm going to put on both of these.
My birthday was yesterday.
That's right. Okay, so we're going to rub all this down, get it good. Get the smoker ready out here, so y'all stick with us. So we got them all rub on them here. We're gonna go out here and light the smoker. You're gonna start the smoker. Go ahead and push that button. There we go. All right, so we started the smoker up 225. I got some Lumberjack Competition blend pellets in here, and we're gonna just let that roll. Let's see how it just started the smoker up. We got some Lumberjack Competition blend pellets in here. I'm going to get it at 225. We'll just go from there. Got the steaks and the pork out here. I'm actually going to use the new it's a Meat Stick V wireless probe here today. We're going to test this out. But we're running about 225 here on the pit. We'll get everything on here. Get the steaks on there first. Okay. And then I'm going to put my pork loins. All right. So, yeah, we'll get that going and check back here. So, we've been on here for about an hour. I've hit where I want to, about 145 in those pork loins, about 135 or so in the ribeyes. I'm going to take this stuff off and just kind of let it rest. Actually, just going to turn off my heat here. Let it rest for about 10-15 minutes, and we'll cut into it. They've been resting here for about 10-12 minutes. Go ahead and get them off. We're going to give them a try. So let's give this a try. First, we'll cut into one of the steaks here. And by the way, this meter did really, really good on keeping up with the cook. So look at that right there. That's pretty looking. And let's cut into, look at how juicy that pork loin is. Let's see the steak as well. See, it's still got some good juice in there. Let's cut in a little slice. I'm going to try this. I'm going to let Catherine Faye try one as well. But let's give this a try. Man. What's nice? Catherine Faye?
Yeah.
You want to try it?
Yeah.
All right. Give it a try, babe.
Okay. Wait, where's my fork?
We'll just pick it up. It's okay.
Okay.
Good?
I want to show my balloons.
All right, well, hold on a second here and try the pork, too.
Okay.
All right.
So let me finish chewing this.
Okay. And which one was best, number 1 or number 2?
I kind of rate both of them a 10 out of 10.
Okay, all right. Good deal. All right, you want to show me your balloons?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, that's that 13th birthday balloon.
Yeah.
Those turned out really good. Like I said, once you got your good temperature probe, stuff like that, just throw this on the smoker for something different, y'all. Really good. Thank y'all so much. God bless. And Catherine Faye, you want to tell people anything?
Yeah. Alright guys, that's the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Please click like and subscribe.
Right.
And in the comments, let us know if you like the what's it called
If you've
again?
ever smoked a ribeye before.
If you ever tried that before.
Right.
And turn on post notifications. And we'll see you guys later. Bye.
Bye, y'all.